Benny the Brave Squirrel. Once upon a time, in a tall oak forest, lived a little squirrel named Benny. Benny loved collecting acorns, but he was afraid of heights. While other squirrels leaped from branch to branch, Benny stayed close to the ground. One sunny morning, a strong wind blew through the forest. The biggest oak tree, where all the acorns were stored, started shaking. "Oh no, my acorns will fall!" cried Benny. Suddenly, Benny saw a baby bird trapped in a nest high up in the tree. The nest was about to fall. Benny's heart raced. He was scared, but he couldn't let the baby bird get hurt. He took a deep breath and started climbing, higher and higher. His paws trembled, but he didn't stop. Finally, Benny reached the nest and pushed it safely between two strong branches. The baby bird chirped happily. The wind stopped. Benny looked down and realized he wasn't scared anymore. From that day, Benny became known as Benny the Brave, the squirrel who conquered his fear to save a friend. Moral: true bravery is helping others even when you're scared.